All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something exclusive. Yeah, this is a show exclusive set with the Sinkevich Touch Neon Zero, and of course the Cybertool, which is of course matching that bad boy. So we got these two items in this CCKS 2022 Fall California Custom Knife Show edition right there. Pretty cool. And of course, we got the Neon Sinkevich Touch because, of course, these are Sinkevich bits, which are included in the tool, so don't worry about that. But look at the lasering going on this piece. Somebody had a lot of fun drawing and lasering this fella, of course, on both sides. Gorgeously made. You get S90V steel and you get a matching lasered, of course, Sinkevich design tool Shirogorov made, and this is the Cybertool, which of course has the 90-degree angle, the 60-degree angle to increase the torque when you disassemble your knives. And inside, of course, you're gonna find, guess what? The Sinkevich bits, one for the body screw and one for the pivot screw. You also are going to find just a classic Shirogorov pivot screw, and it's nice to have. And boom, it just closes up, matches up nicely. And here you have your tool, here you have your knife, which just comes out of the box with an outrageous action. Look at that. One of the nicest Neon Zero around. This is the Sinkevich Touch Neon Zero. Sinkevich bits, beautiful lasering. You get some bronze anodization for the scales, a little bit darker bronze for the matching pocket clip, hidden hardware, and back spacer going on over here with this S90V steel, which is right over here. It's not on the back here of the blade anymore. It's just like right over here where you find it on the Neon NL custom division, right? Beautiful, beautiful action. It's fantastic. It's spectacular. I mean, guys, I don't know what else to tell you. Just try these out. Neon is one of my favorite knives. Amazing handle to blade ratio. And when it's matched with something cool as the Cybertool, I mean, you can't really pass it. Table price on these guys was, I think, $1,300. So definitely not a cheap one, maybe 14. It's a show exclusive. You're not gonna get this guy that easily because there's only 50 made, and I pretty much saw only one for sale. So that's a pretty cool edition. Nice collaboration. Sinkevich, genius, and Shirogorov, of course. It's a match made in heaven. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.